Hey everyone, what's up guys? You're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video guys. Okay, so if you're new, you are highly welcome guys. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually firm up and tighten up your face using some very simple and natural homemade kitchen remedies, okay, kitchen ingredients. All right, so this I have here is rice, and I'm going to be using my rice. Now the rice contains a lightening property which helps so much to keep your skin fairer, and it removes dead skin cells by increasing the collagen level on the skin, tightening up your skin. So guys, what I'm gonna do here is that I'm gonna go boil this rice and blend it, and I'll be right back to show you. Yeah, so here I have my rice, and I'm gonna be taking just 1 tablespoon of that. Okay, I actually do not need too much, so 1 tablespoon of the rice is perfect. Okay, so the very next ingredient which we are going to be making use of is aloe vera. Now aloe vera is a great ingredient that works in moisturizing the skin. It helps for dry skin, and it also helps for irritated skin. It heals sunburn, and it helps to tighten up the skin so well. What am I doing? Alright guys, so now what I'll do, I'll have to be taking in my aloe vera. And I'll mix that up very well. Okay, this is properly mixed, and the very next ingredient which we are going to be needing is this, and this is Vaseline petroleum jelly. Now petroleum jelly is actually a great moisturizing agent for an aging skin. So if you're actually having an aging skin, guys, try using this, okay, because it's gonna be great. Now if you have oily skin, you can actually, use coconut oil or olive oil, or otherwise petroleum jelly is actually very, very ideal for this. It's going to help you so very much. So what you're going to do is to mix this all up, and I'm mixing everything well properly. Okay, so the very last ingredient is avocado. Avocado is a skin nourishing agent. It moisturizes the skin and make the skin tighter, and it also helps to rejuvenate the skin and give you that glow. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut in a little piece of avocado. Alright guys, so avocado is a little bad, but we can still use it. Yeah, so I'm actually gonna be putting a little quantity of avocado in here. So now I'm going to be making sure that I blend it and blend it really good. I'm literally pounding mine, so if you have a very small tiny blender, you can actually blend. So now we're going to be mixing this very well. Okay guys, so this is it. Now let's go apply this, tighten up our skin and have a fresh and a younger looking skin, guys. Okay guys, so this is your treatment, and this is the Aloe Vera and Vaseline treatment, and this is the bomb. This is the bomb treatment. This is an amazing bomb treatment. Okay, so what you do now is to grab this and then generously apply it onto your face. I'm actually gonna be using my mirror to apply this. Okay guys, so after you've applied this, you can actually give it just a little soft massage onto your skin. The massage is actually very important to the skin, otherwise I would say just leave it very dry, so it will just tighten up your skin and then, you know, give you that glow, you know, give you that wonderful glow on your skin. But massage is actually one hell of important thing that you need. So you have to first of all massage your skin very well with this. Alright, so after which you've actually massaged this onto your skin, now what you do is to hold on. You can actually apply it again, so that when your skin cools, it's going to really tighten you up. But for this particular ingredient, it's not necessary you make it and keep, because of the ingredients, the rice and all of that, it's not going to stay, it's going to dry off. Okay, so you cannot make this and keep. You have to use it anytime you want to anytime you want to apply, literally. So it's something you can apply 2 times in a week. So basically with that 2 times in a week, you can make a new one and then apply onto your skin and have your skin popping up. Okay, all right, so for this one you have to hold on, let it, you know, let it dry very well onto your skin, and then that's when you're gonna be seeing it. So the 2 times in a week you apply this, you let it dry like a mask, okay, onto your skin, to the point that when you want to wash it off, you just have to take water and then you put it to soften it, so that you don't bruise your skin while you're trying to clean it with a warm towel. Okay, so after which you've wet it, then you have to use your warm towel and then you clean it first. So you basically clean it first before you go to wash it off. Okay guys, so when you clean it off, you're gonna notice that your face is literally gonna be very soft, just like how soft my face is right now. My face is actually very soft. Okay, so what you do is that you go wash it off with warm water with a very mild soap, to maintain your result. Okay, so that's it guys. If you do love this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe here, share the video, and I'll see you again. Bye.